Good evening, everyone. Uh, Welcome to the daily view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So today was a bearish day. As you can see, a bearish uh, engulfing candle was formed on Nifty, and as I mentioned yesterday, if you are holding longs from 17,000 level or lower levels than that, then your stop loss is 18,120, which got triggered today. So let's remove this. And one more thing, this trend line resistance also was broken. Sorry, this support line, the lower end of the rising parallel channel. So the rising parallel channel is no more valid, at least on the upside. And now this previous swing low is also broken. So obviously now uh, it's not a uh, it's more of sell on rise market for sh- extreme short term traders. And what we are expecting on the downside is Nifty close at 18,113, and you can initially expect in next 1 or 2 days is 17,950, 17,950 to start with, and the deeper correction might take Nifty to 17,650. So I'll write that 17,950 is the initial support for Nifty, and 17,650 is a major one. So these two level you should look at for any reversal sign. These two are first one is this 17,950, and next one is around 17,650. On open interest front, if you see, a lot of call writing took place. As you can see, all green bars, OI buildup you can see. The red one is short buildup. So this is call. This is short buildup. So from 17,900 to all the calls till 18,700, you can see significant call writing here, and long buildups were seen in 17,800, 17,600 on all lower OTMs, and the put writers were made to cover their positions. Short covering was seen in 17,900 to 18,500. So this shows the picture that what happened today. So as you can see on open interest also 18,000 is a significant support, which coincides with our first support, which is 17,950. So 18,000 is like a psychological level, so you can go 30, 40, 50 points lower and then come back. So 17,950 seems most likely in this expiry, and if a global correction global markets don't fall much, then you might stop at 17,950. But if there is a bigger correction happening in global markets as well, then you can uh, also see 17,650 levels. So whatever long positions you are having, keep keep your six stop losses. Okay, whatever trailing stop losses you are having, and uh, if you have a risk appetite of 18, the stop loss is currently, if you look at the closing candle, is of 200 points. So if you can short Nifty, then you can go. If you have a risk appetite, then you can go short at 18,100 with the stop loss of 18,350, and targets you can look at 17,640. So because this trend line is also broken, and volumes. So I wanted to discuss volumes also. Volumes were huge today. You can see volumes here. So this is a Nifty, as you can see. So look at the volumes on a bearish day. It surpassed all the volumes of the previous candles. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading sessions candle. So there's a huge volume on a down day. So any rise you get, you can sell with a proper stop loss, because You can go wrong also. So 18,000 today's high will be a stop loss. You can sell 18,300 calls if you want to do via call writing. So 18,300 calls will be the uh, right strike price to go short, and you can expect around uh, 17,650 levels, which was the previous in top, yeah, 650, 17,650. You can expect in coming days. Initial support is 17,950. Coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty was looking strong in the morning. It closed also stronger than Nifty. It didn't fall that much. Nifty was down, I think, 1.07%, while Bank Nifty was down flat, you can consider. So Bank Nifty, this consolidation continued. As I said, 38,800 needs to be crossed, and it came back from 38,855, which is almost similar to the previous high of 38,851. So it just crossed 4 points. The previous high, 851 was the previous high. Today it crossed 855 only. Now the significant support is at 38,000, as I mentioned yesterday also. Bank Nifty continues to face resistance at the 61.8 retracement level of the previous fall. And now if 38,000 goes, let's look at the yes, so 38,000, you can see significant put writing has taken place. If this is taken out, then you can expect 37,500 to 37,300. So I'll write that. So if Bank Nifty sustains below 38,000, then you can expect 37,500, 37,300 in coming sessions. So Nifty is relatively weak. I'll again say. So right now, if there is no follow up selling, like index Dow Jones futures and other US futures were down while we closed at 330. So if there is no significant selling there, then Bank Nifty might consolidate between 38 and 39,000 only, because it is relatively stronger. The strength has come into Bank Nifty, and Nifty is relatively now weaker, which was not the case previous week, because Nifty was rising and Bank Nifty was not showing much strength. Nifty is around all-time high, Bank Nifty is not. So if you look at that picture, Nifty is strong, but for today only, Nifty went weak, and Bank Nifty was stronger. So this will continue because weightages are such that Bank Nifty has a significant part in the Nifty, plus IT also holds a significant weight in Nifty. So one sector moves, all sectors cannot move at one time. So one takes a back seat, and other sector gives a chance for other sector to move. So this is index management. What happens uh, in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if Bank Nifty sustains below 38,000, so if this level goes and it continues to wait for it to sustain below 38,000, then you can expect first of all 37,500, 600, and then till 37,300. So these are the two supports which I've already mentioned. So keep your stop losses, and on the upside, so again I'm saying this is likely can become a flag also. So this move plus this move, this can become a flag also if Bank Nifty fails to cross below 38,000, and then the next rally about 39,000 will take it to probably new highs around 42,000. So this is also a possibility. So the two levels you have to watch, again same, 38,000 on the downside and 39,000 on the upside. Thank you. And someone asked for Nifty PSU index, PSU bank. Yeah. So this is the PSU bank. It is currently consolidating, as you can see, and this is a resistance. So it continues to consolidate between 28,030 and 2400. This high needs to cross for it to scale new highs. So 28, you can write the level 2830 needs to cross if new highs have new 52-week highs. The new highs, I think, new high is around 4,000. So if 2830 is crossed, you can expect around 31 to 3200 levels. The next resistance come at this. So you can expect 3100 to 3200 levels on this Nifty PSU bank index. So this was your query. Any more queries if you want to ask, you can drop in the comment. If you like this video, you can share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.